Hello friends, myself Anchal Kajla and my roll number is 13. I am going to read chapter 2, Drugs Acting on Autonomic Nervous System, and the topic is Introduction to Autonomic Pharmacology. The nervous system is divided into central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system can be further divided into somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. The difference between these two systems are autonomic nervous system. Auto means self, nomos means governing. The system is involuntary and maintains homeostasis. Somatic nervous system is under voluntary control. Autonomic nervous system. Each autonomic fiber is made up of two neurons arranged in series. Somatic nervous system. Each somatic fiber is made up of single motor neuron which connects central nervous system to skeletal muscle. Autonomic nervous system innervates the heart, smooth muscles, and exocrine glands. Somatic nervous system innervates skeletal muscle. Autonomic nervous system controls visceral functions such as circulation, digestion, excretion, etc. Somatic nervous system controls skeletal muscle tone. The autonomic nervous system has two divisions, sympathetic and parasympathetic. The sympathetic division arises from thoracolumbar region T1 to L3, thoracolumbar outflow, and the parasympathetic division arises from two separate regions in the central nervous system. The cranial outflow arises from the cranial nerves 3rd, 7th, 9th, and 10th, and sacral outflow from S2, S3, and S4 spinal roots. In sympathetic system, the preganglionic fibers are short and postganglionic fibers are long. On the other hand, the parasympathetic preganglionic fibers are long and postganglionic fibers are short. Most of the visceral organs have dual nerve supply, that is, they are supplied by both divisions of autonomic nervous system. But effects of one system predominate. The ciliary muscle, pancreatic, and gastric glands receive only parasympathetic supply. Sweat glands, hair follicles, spleen, and most of the blood vessels have only sympathetic supply. Their stimulation usually produces opposite effect on the innervating organ. Thank you.